Hello, I'm Erika.
And I'm Alexia.
Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to look at the difference between infinitives and gerunds. There are some verbs that are followed by infinitives and some that are followed by gerunds. An infinitive is to eat, for example. A gerund ends in ing, eating. And then there are some verbs followed by an infinitive. These verbs are decide, forget, able, learn, and choose. And then some are followed by gerunds. And those are, for example, enjoy, avoid, consider, finish, and permit. Now let's see some of those in some examples that we have here for you today. Alexia, what did you study?
I decided to study medicine.
Okay. Have you considered volunteering in the hospital?
No, I haven't been able to go.
Well, maybe after you finish studying for your exams, we could go together.
Great.
All right, so if you'd like to learn more about the differences between infinitives and gerunds, please come to Harmon Hall, Puebla Juárez, 242-4158.